Hello viewers, this is Immense Electrical Engineering. Today, as you can see, we have our Ctvet final practicals, and then I'm here to teach you how to do the wiring and then the diagram. So this is our pipe work that we have done. So I'm here to teach you the wiring process. So now we're about to know the materials and then the tools that we need for the wiring. So now we are on the tools that we need. We need our cutter. This is our cutter. We need our plier. This is our plier. This is our plier, as you can see. We need our fishing tape. This is my fishing tape. So we need our screwdrivers. This is our screwdrivers, which is a set of screwdrivers. Yeah. So now we are on our materials that we need. We need two intermediate switch. These are two intermediate switch, as you can see the back. Yeah. Two intermediate switch. There is it. Our two intermediate switch. And then we need 1 gang two-way switch. These are 1 gang two-way switch. 1 gang two-way switch. And then we need our 2 gang two-way switch. These are 2 gang two-way switch. 2 gang two-way switch. And then we need our 1.5 cable, live and neutral. This is our 1.5 live, and then this is our 1.5 neutral. Yeah. So now we are about to start the work. So please stay tuned and watch what you're about to do. Thank you very much. So this is how the diagram is. You can see it this place. So this is the diagram that we'll be following to do our wiring. So let's start. So first of all, you need your fishing tape. This is my fishing tape, and then we'll be using it to draw the cables from the pipe. So first of all, here is our supply, power supply, and then we'll be drawing the neutral from the circular box. So these places. So what we need now is the neutral cable. We are drawing the neutral cable. Then straight to the where the lamp holder will be placed. So we draw it from the power supply to where the lamp holder will be placed. Yeah. So as you know, the neutral is common. So we'll be looping it to where the 4 lamp holders will be placed. So we need another neutral. So this is how the wiring goes. So please pay attention and watch what I'm doing, because it is Ctvet's final practicals. So we've looped the second, we're about to loop the third. So now this is the third cable that we are looping. So please watch it carefully. Remember that the neutral is common. So now I'm on the third connection. This is my last but one connection. So as you can see, I'm almost done with the neutral connection. Yeah. So now this is how it should be for the neutral connection. Yeah. So now we supply the neutral from lamp 1, 2, 3 and then 4. So now everything is intact for the neutral connection. So we are about to connect our power supply. So what we need to do now is to take our power supply from our power supply to the circular box to the 3x3 battery box. So now let's proceed. So we are here to connect our power supply, but we need to know what the question says. So what the question says, it said both 2-gang switch and then the intermediate switch and then the intermediate switch is controlling this 3 lamp here, and then the switch here is controlling 1 lamp here. So this switch is 1-gang, one-way switch, is controlling this one, and then this intermediate switch, this 2-gang switch is controlling these 3 lamps. So it is control. This place is control switch that we are about to do, and then this place is 1-gang switch is controlling 1 lamp here. So we are about to connect our power supply. So first we need to set in our fishing tape, and then we are about to draw our power supply cable. So we are drawing it from our power supply to our 3x3 battery box. Yeah. So this is it. This is how it should be. Okay. So now we need to connect our switch cable. As the question says, our switch cable. We are here to connect our switch cable. So our switch cable will be passing through the 3x3 battery box to our circular box to 2 circular box to 3 circular box, because I told you that the question says we should control 1, 2, 3 switches to our 3 lamps, which is control. So we can on it here, and then we can off it here. At the same time, we can on it here. At the same time, we can off it here. At the same time, we can on it here. That is what the question says. So we are doing it how the question says. So what we need to do now is to draw the cable. So this is our switch cable. So far as we've gotten our switch cable, we need to loop it from this place to this place, and then we'll loop it from this place to this place. You understand? This is how we need to do it. And then that is how the question says. That is how the question is asking us to do. So we are about to loop it. That is what the question asks us to do. Sorry. So here to will be looping at the same time. So as you can see, we've looped the same thing, and then we're about to do the last one. So as you can see, we are done with the control. So now we are done with that one. Yeah. Now we are done with that one. So what we need to do now is to take our power from this, our power from this place to here. So let's proceed.